Okay, now we're going to discuss about the journey taken by a fertilized ovum until implantation. So re tla go lebelela leeto le le tseiwang ke le fertilizitsweng until le ba attached to the endometrium mo teng ga womb. So first we're going to see about this fertilized ovum. So immediately after ovulation, the ovum it's an the fallopian tube. This fallopian tube. So ke bile ka re le mafela for one day le metse gore le fertilize ke di sperm cells. So once le fertilize ke di sperm cells, let us form what we call a zygote. And then this zygote go let travel along this journey until it attached to the endometrium. So I'm going to talk about this journey from fertilization until implantation. So the sperm cell, they travel up the fallopian tube until they combine with this mature ovum. So there are millions of sperm that is released during ejaculation. They travel from the vagina until the combine the ovum. After combine the ovum, only one sperm is going to be allowed to enter inside the ovum in the process called fertilization. Once fertilization, then le ba thata kontle develop a protective membrane it preventa di-sperm tse pedi tse dingwe gore sa gona go tsena mo teng ga ovum. So this membrane ya le kontle e ba hard so that other sperm cells cannot interfere with the process of fertilization mo teng. Then once this egg is fertilized, we call it a zygote. So this zygote is one cell, the combination of a sperm cell and an ovum. They combine to form one single cell called a zygote. So this zygote is going to travel up the fallopian tube until it reaches the endometrium so that it can be attached in the womb, so that one other can the womb or the uterus until the end of pregnancy. So the zygote is going to undergo mitosis until it reaches this uterus. So the first thing immediately after fertilization, the zygote is formed. So after that, the zygote undergoes repeated mitosis to form a ball of cells called morula. So morula is a ball of cells after the zygote they undergo mitosis. So it means the number of cells increase. So the zygote was one cell. So this zygote is going to undergo repeated mitosis to form other cells. So these cells automatically increase until the implant. The reason why the cells increase it is because of this zygote is going to form a human being, and then a human being is a multicellular organism, meaning many cells. So these cells they are developed from this zygote, so they can form different parts of the body. Other cells they are going to form eyes, stomach, brain, the heart, different parts that are made of motor. They form like these cells. They will form after zygote and undergo mitosis. So the first stage after zygote they undergo mitosis of morula, and then morula undergoes repeated mitosis also to form a ball of cells called blastocyst. So this blastocyst is a hollow ball of cells. It's like tennis. I want a tennis with iron. So a hollow, le patla moting. How's that tennis so we cut into pieces the baby. Other piece is going to be like this. Piece away from Nayana, then piece away even na song. There's what they a hollow ball of cells in the patla macaso. The blastocyst. So the blastocyst also undergoes mitosis again. To form an embryo. So blastocyst is also going to undergo mitosis to form an embryo. But then this thing after implantation. So before the blastocyst can become embryo, implantation, whereby the blastocyst becomes implanted or becomes attached to the thick endometrium, therefore originally an embryo. So the blastocyst becomes attached to the thick endometrium to form embryo. So this is what we call implantation. So implantation is the process whereby a blastocyst becomes attached to the thick endometrium to an implantation. It means this blastocyst implant attached to the thick endometrium, and then once if it's attached to the thick endometrium, we no longer call it a blastocyst, it is like an embryo. Then this embryo is going to develop into a complete human being. Yeah, thank you.